Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a modal in Webflow. First, create a div block to act as your modal wrapper. Set its position to fixed, covering 100% of the viewport width and height. Next, add a background overlay with a semi-transparent color, perhaps 50% black. Finally, place your actual modal content inside another div within this wrapper. Now, let's style your modal content. Give the inner content div a distinct background color, like white, and add 24 pixels of padding all around. You can center this content easily using Webflow's Flexbox or grid settings. Don't forget to include a clear close button, perhaps an X icon, within the modal itself. Always ensure your design looks great on all devices. Next, we'll add interactions to make your modal functional. Utilize Webflow's powerful interactions panel. Set up a click trigger on your designated open button to show the modal wrapper. You can animate the modal to fade in or slide up smoothly over 300 milliseconds. Crucially, configure the close button to hide the modal wrapper when clicked, providing a clear exit. Finally, let's cover accessibility and best practices. Implement keyboard navigation so users can open and close the modal using the tab key. Add an interaction for the escape key to close the modal, which is a common user expectation. Ensure focus shifts correctly to the modal when it opens and returns when it closes. Consider adding area attributes for screen reader users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.